Assalamu alaikum friends, I am Imran Kabir. Today I am going to explain a very interesting topic: cookies versus local storage versus session storage. So let's get started. In terms of capacity, cookies can save 4 bytes, local storage can save 10 MB, and session storage can save 5 MB. Cookies can be saved in browsers HTML4 variant and HTML5, whereas local storage can be stored in browsers which just support HTML5. Same case for session storage. In terms of accessibility, cookies can be accessed from any window, whereas local storage can be accessed from any window and session storage can be accessed from same tab. And in terms of expiry, expiry can be set manually. Local storage never expires unless we explicitly delete local storage, whereas session storage expires on closing of browser tab. In terms of storage location, cookies can be saved in browser as well as on server, whereas local storage can be saved only on browser and session storage can be saved only on browser as well. In terms of requests, cookies can be sent with each request from client to server, whereas local storage and session storage can never be sent with the requests from client to server. So let's see in the code. I have created a directory called storage. Let me open it in Sublime Text. I have already created two files, add and get. In add.html I have created all three things. Cookies can be set with document.cookie is equal key comma equal value, whereas local storage have some handy functions like set item, get item and delete item. Same case for storage, session storage, set item, get item and delete item. So let's see in the browser. I have opened the browser add.html. You can see name key in local storage is added with Imran Kabir -local, and if you see in the session storage tab name is also added, and value is Imran Kabir hyphen session. Now you can see some details under cookies tab. Name and value is Imran Kabir hyphen cookie. Domain, then path, then expiration, and size of the cookie, and some other related informations. And you can see all three information are printed as well. Whereas in the get.html, which have only console.log statements, so you can see cookie value is also printed and local storage also printed, whereas session storage information is not available in this tab, because session information can only be accessed from the same tab. So that's all for this tutorial. If you have any comment, please add comments. I will try to answer your questions. Please subscribe, like my channel, and like this video. Thank you.